What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Tora Inu. Now I saw Tora Inu in a banner ad at the top of CoinGecko. Caught my eye, looks like an interesting token. ToraInu.io is their official webpage. I'm going to put their Twitter up here as well so you guys can easily find this token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, ToraInu.io is their official webpage. On there you could find information, how to buy, claim button, different language. You could switch it between different languages on the webpage. Tons of socials. They have an Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, Facebook, YouTube channel, roadmap, ecosystem info, and a full white paper listed on their webpage here as well. It says, get in early on the Tora Inu beta sale. So it says Tora Inu is the next gen ultimate meme token play to earn platform. You can easily buy the pre-sale directly using your credit card, or you can use USDT or Ethereum already in your wallets. Once the public pre-sale ends, you'll be able to claim your Tora Inu tokens using the claim page. So far it says they have 191,127.06 USDT raised, so $191,000, and their target is $250,000. So they're reaching their target. They're getting there very quickly here, so definitely check out this pre-sale if you're interested in this token. Now their white paper is about 8 pages long. It's not super lengthy or anything. It says Tora Inu is the governance token behind the Toraverse platform. Tora, which is the ticker symbol TORA, is a meme rewards token. At its core, flaunting tokenomics that create a supply and demand squeeze. The token has both a burnout of circulation mechanism as well as rewards distribution to holders. Launching in November 2022, Tora Inu is a cryptocurrency that has a play-to-earn utility as well as a future metaverse integration whereby users can battle their Tora Inu NFTs for a chance to earn more Tora. It is pure play-to-earn where you stake tokens for a chance to battle, and skill-based as well. Your Tora Inu will grow with you. You can become stronger over time. It can grant you more rewards. You can feed it, take it to the gym, or even walk it to buff it up. And it looks like a little cat in a space helmet. Welcome to the next 100 times meme token and the leader of 2023 cryptocurrency bull run to come. Tora Inu. So, let's see here. So Tora Inu's future. Tora Inu is the strongest dog token of 2023 with an experienced KYC development team. We have our contracts audited by Solid Proof to ensure the community's safety and the skill set to be globally recognized as a leader. Why would you get Tora Inu? Well, the rewards and burn tokenomics will create a large supply shock, allowing investors to benefit greatly from every transaction that goes onto the blockchain. This means every time there is a buy or sell, you benefit from just being a Tora Inu holder. Tora Inu will bring NFTs to the market as part of a play-to-earn skill-based game. The games will be mini arcade games, which include puzzles, races, and sports competitions. You stake tokens against another player for a chance to get a piece of the prize. So their roadmap here, it says, with a fully transparent roadmap, we have a cutting-edge development team and well-organized structure. No empty promises such as other projects have. We deliver the roadmap step by step. So if you are going to buy this token later on when it gets listed on a DEX, it says there is a 3% buy and sell tax, and that goes out to burn out of circulation and redistribution, basically. So that's a decent tax, though. So you may have to set slippage around 3% if buying this token later on after the pre-sale. Now, there is a total supply here of 1 billion tokens. 100 million tokens go to central exchange listings and reserves. 100 million tokens go to play-to-earn rewards. 600 million tokens go to pre-sale. And 200 million tokens go to liquidity. Pre-sale can end prior to the full 600 million tokens being sold, it says. So be aware of that. So check this out as soon as you can, just so you don't miss something that may be valuable. Tora Inu team is eager to create a groundbreaking project which will become the leader of meme coins in 2023. We will begin with the beta sale and pre-sale phase, which has an incremental increase in price as the phases get later in stages. The team will roll out a colossal marketing campaign, being the headline of media globally. Imagine opening your newspaper, front page newspaper, and it just says, Tora Inu pre-sale. Anyways. The #1 central exchange listings are in our roadmap, and we will have central exchange listings booked prior to launching on Uniswap for the initial push. Yeah, so once it gets to Uniswap, just be aware that slippage may be around 3% or so. Make sure to engage with our socials all over, like Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. So the Tora Inu play-to-earn, the play-to-earn will be a very unique one, which is skill-based. This is a very rare to see in the market, as most play-to-earn games are pay-to-play, which means the more you pay to buff your NFT, the more you'll win. We see this as skewed and not really the way games should be. Tora Inu will have a small buffing abilities for the NFTs with much more focus on skill-based games. Furthermore, another unique aspect is the rewards won't come from the liquidity or reserves, only a very small portion. Most of the rewards will come directly from the other players who must stake some Tora Inu into a pool for a chance to win. Nonetheless, this creates more of a burn and redistribution transaction, which creates an even more bullish sentiment for both holders and gamers. So on the roadmap here, starting in Q4 2022 with the pre-sale, website launch, pre-sale, contract security audit, team security KYC, initial influencer marketing, brand design, press release publications. Then Q4, we got launch on Uniswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, press release, community building. Next year, Q1, we got first central exchange listings already booked, it says, influencer marketing campaign, billboards, advertising, DEX tools, more press releases. Then Q2 next year, first NFTs come out, and then profit sharing system with the NFTs, airdrop surprise for NFT holders, and then 300 attributes. Then we got NFTs native marketplace, beta version play-to-earn game, mini games with NFTs, integration, Chainlink integration, Tora Inu exchange, decentralized. They're going to have their own decentralized exchange, pools and stakings, listings and launch pads, and then next year, 2024, Tier 1 central exchange, takeover, press releases, and news publications. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Tora Inu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Bye! Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy-to-navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.